bright. I mean, you could draw with them. Red and black. And they have a clip on them that you can take with you. And then you just clip this if you want more lead to come out. They have all these spare leads. So you have 2 of those. You have yellow, red, 2 of those. This little case, really nice. So now we are going to try them out. Okay, so these are, you can write on wood, metal, tile, and paper with these. And they have a built-in sharpener on the very end, and it's really cute. See, this is a little tiny, I don't know if you could see that, sharpener that you can sharpen the end tips with. And put it right back in there and screw it in.